Building a website may seem a very intimidating and overwhelming process if you haven't done it before. You may think, oh my god, I do not know how to code. I do not know the languages HTML, CSS or JavaScript. But trust me, we're in the year 2022 and you can build a website all by yourself without knowing coding. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Janvi and I make a new video on this channel every week. So if you're new to this channel, then please consider subscribing to it. Now, very recently, my friend Shivank and I started our own blog website by the name www.getgrowingblog.com. And during the process of building that website and starting our own blog, we did a lot of research about different platforms and how to buy a domain, which platform to use to launch our websites, etc. And that is what I'm going to share in this video, whatever we've learned throughout the journey. And then you can decide for yourself which platform do you feel is the best. We had personally used Wix.com to build our website and GoDaddy.com, of course, to buy our domain. And Wix is a very easy platform to use. There are various templates available for different types of websites and it is very easy to edit and publish your website over there. So I will also walk you through my Wix dashboard later on in the video. So make sure that you watch the video towards the end. Now, the first thing that we need to discuss is why do you need to have a website of your own? Why you should have a website of your own? Now, there are different types of website that you can create. First would be a blog website just like us, or you can have a portfolio website, or you can have your business or startup website as well. Now, why is it important to have a website is firstly, it helps in your personal development. Since we have started a blog website, we want to build the habit of writing regularly and posting something on our website. Then you also get to network. A lot of people come to you because they had read a blog that you wrote or they came across your website and they found something useful. It is a very good way of networking. You can also monetize your website over time once you're very consistent with it over the line. I think around after 2 to 3 years, you can also think about monetization. And lastly, but very important, that it also acts as a CV. So a lot of people now ask for a portfolio website rather than a resume or a CV, because especially if you're in the design work, you're a fashion designer or any type of designer, then they want to see your past work or the past designs that you've created. So a portfolio website will help you to have everything collected at one place in a very organized way. So you can have a portfolio website designed for yourself with all your work, all your blogs, everything put in one place, and it will act as a CV for you. Now, in order to build a website, there are basically two things that you require. First would be a platform where you will launch that website, and second would be a domain name. A domain is just like a .com, www.janvishukla.com or facebook.com, instagram.com. So you need to buy a domain first in order to launch it using a platform. Now, there are various free options and paid options available. The platform that I used was Wix.com, but there are other platforms such as Squarespace.com. It has a lot of beautiful templates available and it is again very easy to edit and use. If you're a tech nerdy, then you can absolutely go for this option. Second option would be Ghost. Ghost again has beautiful templates. If you know Ali Abdal, he uses Ghost for his own personal website. It is again another very good platform. Then we have WordPress. Again, initially everybody used to build their blog websites on WordPress, so you can check out WordPress as well. And then we have a free option which is called Substack. Now, Substack helps you launch your email newsletter. It is not basically a platform where you can launch your website, but if you're somebody who's just starting to begin and just wants to put your work out there without spending any money, then Substack is your option. You can have your own www.janvishukla.substack.com link, and you can write and publish all your email newsletters over there. So you can have a look at all these options and then decide which one works best for you. And I'm gonna walk you through my dashboard, that is the Wix dashboard, and show you how to exactly create a website using it, how how to go about it, how to connect your domain to the website, etc. So let's get started. Now, as you can see, this is my dashboard on Wix. This is the site that we have. So yes, this is the website that we have. We have about section, contact section, our blog section. We have written a blog over here. This is our about us section. We have also put in our links over here to our social media accounts. You can click. So this is my YouTube channel. Then from here itself, you can go and check out these different pages. You can put in your details. You can put in your email ID. And this is how the website looks. Now coming to a dashboard, let's go and create a new site. So you will have to select a category. Let's skip all these sections for now. Now begin with a template is the option that you have to choose for yourself. And you will see all of these templates over here presented to you. You can go and search category wise. You have business and services. We have store. If you have a store, then you can have a website accordingly. Then creative websites. If you're into designing or creative arts, music, then you can have something like that. Then education, events, and finally a blog. So these are the various templates that are available. So you can spend all your time looking for the best one. So let's go and build a professional CV or professional portfolio website for ourselves. I'll choose this one. Let's go and edit this. So once you hit the edit button, this is how you will see the layouts. These are the various editing tools that are present over. You can add elements, you can add sections, pages and menu. You can change the site theme, you can add apps, media, or you can start publishing your blog itself. So let's begin editing. You can change the font sizes, text over here using all these options. You can change the photo as well, change strip background, and you can change the background. You can upload a background by yourself and then change it to your picture. You can write an about me section over here, change the picture over here as well. Start showcasing your work, your education, etc., your different skills. So this is how you can edit. You can change the size of the header as well if you want it to be a little smaller. Then you can delete sections as well. So if you don't want to have this section, you can easily delete this part and it will get deleted. You can add sections if you want. About section or a team section or a contact section. You can go browse all these sections over here and add whatever section you want to. You can add menu on the home page like the search bar. You can, over here we have home, about and projects. So you can add one page or even delete a page if that is not needed. You can change the theme, you can customize it, maybe this one or this one. Whatever colors you want to have for your website, you can change the theme for it as well. I will let the theme be this one only. You can add apps. You can change the media. You can add media as well. Photos from your Instagram and directly link. You can add photos and videos from an Instagram and Facebook as well. And then you can start publishing your blog also. So this is basically how you edit. Then you can go on the preview section and see how your website will look on the desktop once it's published. So this is how it will look. You can also check the mobile view of your website. So this is how it will look on the mobile. And then you can go back to the editor and make whatever changes you want to accordingly. You can link your social media handles as well over here. You have these various mobile tools as well: browser theme, welcome to screen, back to top button. So you can add these features as well. Now the main part over here would be to connect your domain. So you can get a new domain name using the website that you're using. So if you're using Wix, you'll have a domain name by the name www.janvishukla.wix.com, or you can go and connect a domain you already own. So I would be recommending you to buy a domain on your name. That would be better. So for that, I go to godaddy.com. You can search various domains. So we wanted getgrowing.com, but it was already taken. So we then went with getgrowingblog.com. So this is our domain name. And if you don't want to go with a .com, you can go for a .in or a .co, .inc, getgrowingblogs.com, .co.in, .org. So there are various options available over here, and the prices for it as well. So 157, 299, etc. So you can choose the best option. For this purpose, you will have to take the premium plan if you want to connect your domain name. There are various plans available: VIP, unlimited combo, and connect domain. This is the plan that we had taken in order to connect the domain. There are different features available for different plans. You can have a look at it and then choose the plan that works best for you. So once you've chosen your plan, you can go on to your dashboard, and there you'll see a lot of different options. Connect a custom domain. So over here you can type your domain and let's go. You can connect a custom domain, so you can type your domain over here, and the Wix website will guide you throughout the process. It is a step-by-step process, but the Wix website will show you how to exactly go ahead with that. And in the dashboard, there are other options as well. Publisher site, we found on Google, get found on Google. SEO tools, app market, social post, email marketing, logo maker, there. Analytics and reports. There are n number of things that the Wix website offers. And once you get done with that, you can go and publish your post, create a new post. You can add the title over here, use hashtags, add media, images, links, SEO. So this is how you can go about writing your blog on the website as well, and then press publish. So that is basically everything that you need to know about creating a website on Wix. Trust me, it does not take more than 1 or 2 hours to build a website all by yourself. So now make sure that you go on and try to build a website all by yourself using these platforms. And thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see another video next week. Until then, goodbye.